Ted from Katy has a question about a backyard build-out.
He wants to improve his 10,000 square foot backyard.
Okay.
It's a good-sized backyard, right?
Most people don't look at their backyard in square foot, but that's okay.
I'm thinking that he's planning an improvement, and so he made sure he added a measurement. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so sure. Ted writes, he says, we're starting to get the itch to add a patio extension, and an outdoor kitchen along with a pool. I mean, he's pulling out all the stops. Is this something you would recommend doing with one contractor? Or is this more of an aces in their places kind of project where multiple contractors would be best to do the job?
I'm always a one contractor guy. You get one contractor, one set of warranties, one guy to yell at, one guy to fire if you have to, not 12, but one, and everybody's not pointing their finger at each other. But this is interesting, Charlie. We're going through this quarantine period, right? And now I'm starting to get calls, and I had a lot last weekend. I want to do a big addition. It's time for me to start remodeling. It's time for me to start doing this.
I need more space.
I'm telling you, you can see a whole trend going to start happening
right.
Where all the guys that have no work right now, they're about to get swamped in the next 6 weeks. You watch. They're going to go all right over the other side. They're going to say, you have to wait in line. So start it now. And in this case, because of it having a pool, if he's going to have a pool and not just a gazebo with an outdoor kitchen, that would be a Tom from Family Landscape thing. But you're going to have a pool, call Colt over at U.S. Pool Builder. He'll take the whole package and put it together for you. And you get one really competent guy that can take care of the whole thing. But a pool's a very specialty item. Not everybody can build a pool, even though some people try.
Yeah, I mean, if it's just a room addition, you'd call trifection.
There you will go.
You want
just outdoor landscape, that would be Family Landscape. But
right.
This is a pool. So everything's around a giant hole in the ground, and it better be a good one or you're going to hate it forever.
It kind of defines the whole project.
It does. It really, because it's the first thing they're going to do is dig that hole.
Well, before you start digging, call us. Go ahead and send us your question at HomeShowRadio.com. Visit the Ask Tom button right there on the home page. Send it in, and we'll post it just like this. And by the way, if you want to know when we post new ones, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and click the bell. We'll notify you when new ones go up.